Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to answer about this one. Before we find dy over dx, we need to put about natural law for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So capital A, that is about s, capital B, that is about sy. So this one that should be like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. For example, we have y equals to 12 and 8. So if we do first the derivative, that should be like this. And now we have the second one. That is about the product rule of the derivative. So when we have y equals to abc, so if we do first the derivative, that should be like this. Now we can apply it in here. So this one, that is about this one. So we do first the derivative of s multiplied by y, f, and s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of y multiplied by s, f, and s, and the last one. So this one we have number 1. This one we have first the derivative of y. This one we have 1 over s. So we simplify s. And now we have this one. I will put on the left. Next, we can do about factorization by first the derivative of y. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.